gotta take off my headset. Hang on. Who did the... Oh my god! Shifty Tree, thank you for the 25 gifted... Oh my god, Hiccups. Can we get some Vulpy crazies in the chat? You're way too kind. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm hiccuping. Oh fucking god, help me. Oh god, help me. Oh god, help me. I'm actually gonna... Oh god, I'm gonna die. Oh god, help me. Oh fuck. Oh my god.
Knock it off.
I'm trying to. It's painful, man. Ow. Jesus Christ.
You're causing a scene. You're causing a fucking scene.
I'm trying to stop.
Everyone's looking. Everyone's laughing.
Oh my god. Oh fuck, ow. Help me.
Oh, Pixie, it's over for you. I'm sorry. I regret to inform you, it's gone forever.
Is it gone? Oh fuck,
Your lungs.
ow.
Your lungs, they're gone. I diagnosed you with terminal 2025.
Oh,
Goes
no!
away in a year.
Someone save me, please.
Any other way, it can't go away.
How do I get rid of it? Oh god, I'm gonna
Remember that you are not a fish.
Wait, I'm catching one right now.
Catch that? Holy shit.
You
I caught a fish, dude.
are not a fish.
I'm a fish.
You're a lemon.
You're not a fish.
True.
I'm not a fish.
I could be a fish, maybe.
Ow. Fuck me, man.
Oh no. Guys, I think she just is. I can't fix her. It's over.
Hello?
Ow.
Hello?
Jesus Christ, they
Hello?
don't stop! They're not stop. Laser, help me, they're not stopping.
Don't stop.
Oh,
Don't
Jesus
stop.
Christ, man. Ow. Not stopping. Help me. That's not helping. Oh, gee. Holy fucking god.
Oh.
They don't stop.
Ma'am, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Like 3 buzzballs.
That's a lot, you know.
It's a lot.
Is it? No, it's not.
How many?
They're 3 buzzballs, they're 15% each, and you have a tiny tummy.
That's a lot.
Small
Yeah.
tummy.
No, get
You
that
have a
rod out of my
little
face.
tummy.
Wait, no, I want the
Small tummy.
Get that rod out of my
Tummy
face,
haver.
boy.
Tummy, small tummy haver.
Get that rod out my face.
Tiny. Oh, fuck me. Jesus, stop!
You're...
Help! How do I stop it? Oh, fucking god. Jeez, they
There's
just
no
don't
stopping it.
stop.
Sorry to scare you.
Dude,
Nothing.
Shino, that's like, that felt so real. The way you're like, ooh.
Yeah, you actually have like
Body
contracted. That's
tra-
crazy.
Oh, you gotta go by that.
Hi, I'm so happy to see you for
I'm
New
so
Year's.
happy. Thank you for spending New Year's with us. I love you so much.
I'm gonna
Yes,
catch her.
of
I'm
course.
gonna catch her.
Of course.
I'm gonna catch her.
Next year.
Next year,
Again.
I'll see you next year. Oh God, help me with Hypnospace
course.
Outlaw.
Okay. Whatever
Are you
god we
leaving?
figured out during like gambling, can we fix our hiccups, please?
Yeah,
Like,
please.
Yeah.
Can you do a solid real fast?
Oh, let me like ignite you.
You're gonna what?
There we go. I'm gonna like ignite
Are you
you. Hold
summoning
on, here
him?
we go.
The fishing
1,
god?
2, 3.
The
You're
fishing
blessed.
Wow.
Whoa. Did it work?
Well,
Well,
fuck,
you
it
made
didn't
Hacker
work.
disappear.
Oh my god, it worked! Oh my god, it worked! Not in the way I expected.
My hiccups won't go
Whoa,
away!
like momentum here.
Help me! My hiccups won't go away! Oh my.
I'm sorry, it vanquished Hacker, not
Just pat it out.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, my chest.
Shino, give him the Heimlich maneuver. It's like,
Oh yeah.
wrap
I'm holding my
your arms
breath.
around her tummy and just go.
I'm holding my breath.
The Heimlich maneuver.
Oh my God.
That looks so good. What the fuck?
Oh my god, that was incredible.
Oh
Holy
my
shit.
god.
I need to get full body tracking so badly. This is awesome.
Same,
It's
dude,
weird because
that's
she just
awesome.
looks like a real person, and everyone else is like stiff.
Are you a real
freaking me
person?
I don't know, am I?
The way she's moving around, it's like I'm looking at a real person. It's like, what the
It's
fuck?
awesome.
It's so sick.
I can't believe this is real.
Oh my god, humans
This
are
is
real.
2025.
Humans are real. What the fuck?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thirsty. Hold on, I need to get more soup.
Go long.
Soup.
Soup.
Give me mine.
Hey, go get it, go get it. Doing, doing, doing.
Give me it.
Oh, where is it? Where is it?
I want it. Please.
Boom, 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 boom.
It's so aggressive.
Portal! Get in! Oh fucking god.
Hello.
Ah! How do I stop the hiccups, please? Oh my fucking god. I'm actually gonna die. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna perish. Oh my god. Chad, help me. Guy, I'm so happy to spend 2025 with y'all. My hiccups haven't stopped. Help me. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh my god.
Boo.
Hello.
Boo, bitch.
It scared me. Wait. Is there an Outer Wilds like VR world?
I bet there is.
Can we go to Timber Hearth?
Oh my god, wait, hang on.
Have you played Outer Wilds?
In my experience, plain milk chocolate hiccups.
That's
go
okay,
away
that's okay. We're
quickly
gonna go
if
to
you have
someplace
any lying
non-spoilery.
around.
Pixie, bring her to someplace non-spoilery. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. That's invasion of privacy.
Wait, where did the others go?
I don't know. I think they're like upstairs.
Can't go there, can't go there. Dan, Dan, can you pick a world, please? Or maybe
let's see what I can
maybe,
find.
maybe Laser could pick a world. I don't trust my mind right now to pick a world that isn't spoilery.
Hold on. Let me see. If I make a how do I make this work? Right? It would be a public. I don't want public. I want. How do I make it private?
Use
New
this
instance.
with your friend.
Invite. Like this, I think.
Yeah.